I think your father is in trouble.
You haven't noticed, Mom? We are not doing so hot either.
I'm going to look for him. And that means you're in charge until I get back, Violet.
What? You hurt her.
Put these on. Your identity is your most valuable possession. Protect it. And if anything goes wrong, use your powers.
But you say never to
I
use...
know what I say! Remember the bad guys on those shows you used to watch on Saturday mornings? Well, these guys are not like those guys. They won't exercise restraint because you're children. They will kill you if they get the chance. Do not give them that chance. Vi, I'm counting on you.
Something.
I'm counting on you. Be strong. Dash, if anything goes wrong, I want you to run as fast as you can.
As fast as I can?
As fast as you can. Stay hidden. Keep each other safe. I'll be back by morning.
Mom, what happened to the plan? I'm sorry. I wanted to help. I mean, you asked me that. I'm sorry.
Shh. It isn't your fault. It wasn't fair for me to suddenly ask so much of you. But things are different now. And doubt is a luxury we can't afford anymore, sweetie. You have more power than you realize. Don't think. And don't worry. If the time comes, you'll know what to do. It's in your blood.
He's not weak, you know.
What?
Valuing life is not weakness.
Oh, hey, look. If you're talking about what happened to containment unit, I had everything under control.
And discarding it is not strength.
I call him bluff, sweetheart. That's all. I knew he wouldn't have it in him to actually.
Time you gamble, bet your own life. There isn't much time.
There isn't. In fact, there's no time at all.
Please!
Why are you here? How can you possibly bring me lower? What more can you take away from me?
Emily survived the crash. They're here on the island.
They're alive? Helen?
Hello? You must be Mrs. Sinclair.
She was helping me to escape.
No, that's what I was doing. Let go of me! Let go, you lousy, lying, unfaithful creep!
How could I betray the perfect woman?
Oh, you're referring to me now?
Where are the kids?
They might have triggered the alert.
What?
Security's been sent into the jungle. You better get going.
No, our kids are in danger?
If you suspect a danger, why'd you bring...
I didn't bring them, they stowed away. I don't think you're striking the proper tone here.
Think they're supers?
Dash, remember what Mom said.
Hey, stop talking.
Hold it. Free.
Dash, run!
What?
Run!
What the? They're super. Get the boy. Show yourself.
Don't touch my sister.
How are you doing that?
I don't know.
Whatever you do, don't stop.
Mom, Dad, hey!
Oh,
You're right.
Oh, you're right.
We are so worried
I thought
about
I'd
you.
never see you again.